If guided access is not working on your iPhone, don't worry. I've tested several fixes and these methods usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. Stay with me until the end because the last fix helps when nothing else works. Before we begin, if this video saves you time, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps the channel and it lets me know these troubleshooting videos are useful. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is reset the guided access settings. Open the Settings app. Tap Accessibility. Scroll down and select Guided Access. Turn the Guided Access toggle off. Wait about 10 seconds. Now turn it back on. Next, tap Accessibility Shortcut. Make sure Guided Access is selected. If you don't use the other accessibility shortcuts, leave only Guided Access checked. This helps prevent conflicts when you press the side button 3 times. Now let's test it. Open an app like Photos. Don't stay on the home screen because guided access only starts inside an app. With the Photos app open, quickly press the side button 3 times. If the guided access screen appears, tap Start. If it works, you're all set. If not, let's move to the next fix. The second solution is a force restart. Temporary iOS glitches can stop guided access from working correctly. If your iPhone has Face ID, or it's an iPhone 8 or newer, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. If you're using an iPhone 7, press and hold the volume down button and the side button together until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 6s or an older model, press and hold the home button and the power button together until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone turns back on, open the Photos app again. Press the side button 3 times and check if guided access starts normally. If this method works for you, let me know in the comments. It also helps other viewers who have the same issue. Now let's check another setting that many people overlook. Open the Settings app. Tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this feature is turned on, it may prevent guided access from working correctly. For testing, temporarily turn Content and Privacy Restrictions off. Now go back to the Photos app and try starting guided access again. If it works now, you know screen time was causing the problem. Another common reason is the side button click speed. If you're pressing the side button 3 times but nothing happens, your iPhone may not be recognizing the clicks fast enough. Open the Settings app. Tap Accessibility. Select Side button. If your iPhone has a Home button, tap Home button instead. Change the click speed from default to slow. If needed, try slowest. Now return to the Photos app and press the side button 3 times again. Many users find this simple setting fixes the problem immediately. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope one of these fixes is already working for you. If it is, go ahead and leave a like. It really supports the channel and helps more people find this video. If guided access is still not working, here's the final solution. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this does not erase your photos, videos, apps, messages, or personal files. It simply resets your iPhone settings back to their defaults, and this often fixes deeper iOS issues affecting guided access. After the reset finishes, enable guided access again from accessibility settings and test it inside the Photos app. In most cases, one of these methods gets guided access working again. If you're still having trouble, let me know your iPhone model and your iOS version in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you find the right solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.